expressway.
Governor Dapo Abiodun, who appreciates President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for obliging the request of Ogun State government for the reconstruction of the expressway, underscores the importance of the road, assuring that it will create jobs for both skilled and unskilled workers through direct and indirect employment.
We continue to prioritize roads leading to farm settlements, to rural areas, to townships and border communities, so that we can coordinate the movement of people, goods and services along our industrial hubs. I also pledge to continue completing any inherited project.
Stakeholders note that with the project, succor is gradually coming the way of road users.
I want you to also consider Papa for a bridge. Papa deserves a kind of interchange that Craven introduced as a pen.
And a silent achiever. Excellency, not only in a jury or Wekoro that we are directed, but across 5 local governments.
The road, which has been in deplorable condition for years, is expected to be completed within the next 18 months. From Itori in Ogun State, Hakeem Jimo, NTA News.